Hello everyone, my name is Yue. I'm 11 years old and in the first grade. Today I'm gonna talk about Chuseok. What is Chuseok? Chuseok is time to celebrate the harvest. We thank them for the harvest. We have a big feast. We eat songtan, rice cake, and fruit. I go to grandmother's house. It's really happy moment to me. Thank you for listening.